In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage time off and vacation requests in Clickup. We'll set up a clear, trackable workflow using a ready-made template so your team can request time off and you can review, approve, and report without hassle. Start in your workspace and head to the dashboards area, then move into Home. This puts you in a central place where navigation is quick and consistent. From here, open the space where your team's operations live, then choose the project that houses your organization resources. Pick the one your team already uses for HR or operations so everything stays in one place. Open the three-dot menu for that project to access more options and select Templates. Choose Browse Templates to see the full library. In the search bar, type Time Off. You're looking for a template designed for time off or vacation tracking. When you find it, click Use Template. Give your new setup a clear descriptive name, something your team will instantly recognize, then confirm by selecting Use Template again to import it into your project. Once the template finishes loading, open the item you just created. Inside, start with the Start Here by Search section. This is the quick orientation that explains how the template is structured and what each view is for. So spend a moment here to align your process and any team-specific rules like notice periods or blackout dates. Next, open the Requests view. This is where new and existing time off submissions live, typically with fields like dates, type of leave, and notes. Then move into the Approval Process view to see requests grouped by status from submitted through approved. This makes it easy to monitor bottlenecks and keep response times tight. The Rejected view filters declined requests, giving you a historical record and helping you stay consistent with your policies. Open the Time Off Request form to review how team members will submit requests. Make sure the form captures the essentials: start and end dates, reason or leave category, and any handoff notes. Consider adding clear guidance text so everyone submits requests the same way. Finally, switch to the Board view. Here you can drag requests across stages visually, which is ideal for stand-ups and quick reviews. A few closing tips. Confirm your team has the right permissions to submit and view requests, align naming conventions with your HR policies, and double-check date formats and time zones. With this template in place, you'll have a consistent, auditable process for requesting, reviewing, and tracking time off end to end.